before go to how to write your name in Korean, you need to know how to write your name in Korean style. Okay? Yeah. I introduce myself as Chongnan Chin. Yeah. But this is not the original Korean style. Yes. If I say in Korean style, I would put my family name first and the given name is followed. So I would say my name is Jin Chong Nan. Yeah, this is my name tag. So the first letter is referred to family name, and the rest of it is given name. So can you distinguish the family name and the given name? Okay, yeah. Well, have you heard of Korean language sound? These are the Korean words. I will pronounce it. Take guess what it means. Okay, first one, it sounds 사하. Okay, second, it is Russia. Right, Russia. But we pronounce Russia. And the last one, Kangdoksu. I think this person is the most famous Korean person in Yakutsk, right? Yeah, Kangdoksu. Well, even though the sounds different from your language, you can guess what it means, right? But if you see the words in Korean, did you see some blocks in the words in it? Okay, for example, 사, 하. There are two groups of sound, right? There are two blocks. What about Russia? Okay, there are three groups of sounds, right? And the last one, Kangdoksu. Yeah, you see there are three groups. Yeah, each group, each block refers to a syllable. So in the case of 사하, there are two syllables in Korean. Russia and Kangdoksu, there are three syllables. Okay, now we move on to sounds and letters in Korean. Okay, there are three ways to make the syllables in Korean. Yeah. In Korean, consonant by alone cannot make the sounds. Consonant always need vowels to make syllable. So, just vowel alone can make a syllable. And second one, the vowel combined with the consonant. And the last one is consonant, vowel, and consonant. Okay, let's see the words. First one is 사하. 사하. Okay, consonant and vowel. Ha, consonant and vowel. Okay, next, Russia. Okay, 러, consonant and vowel. 시, consonant and vowel. And well, actually, this is just vowel alone. Okay. Then what about Kangdoksu? Kang, consonant, vowel, and consonant. Okay. Dok, consonant, vowel, and consonant. Su, consonant, and vowel. Did you find something in it? Some orders? How to write the consonant and vowels in Korean? Okay, good. Well, like in Russia, when the vowel alone make this syllable, you need to add 0 consonant before the vowel, because we always need consonant and vowels when you make a syllable. So we put 0, symbol consonant in it. Okay, and the most of the syllable combines with consonant and vowels, like 사하 and 러시 and 수. Then what if there are 3 letters in one syllable, like 강덕? Okay, when there are 2 consonants in one syllable, we put first consonant at the left, and the vowel comes the next to the first consonant, and the final consonant comes at the bottom of the syllable. So the last consonant comes at the bottom. It's just same to talk. Consonant and vowel and bottom consonant. Now you understand how to make the syllable in Korean. So this time I'm gonna ask you to write the Russian name in Korean way. This one is A vowel, E vowel, in na, consonant and vowels. So Aina has 3 syllables in it. Okay, then move to next words. Victoria, Vic, consonant, vowel, and consonant, Vic, and to, consonant and vowel, 리, consonant and vowel, vowel alone. Okay, good. Well, let's move on to a little bit difficult one. Okay. In Russian name, there are very special the style. It's totally different from the Korean way of writing system. There are the consonant sequence words like Vladimir. Okay. V, but we don't have this kind of writing style in Korean. Okay, let's talk about it later. Okay, then move to second. La, consonant and vowel. D, consonant and vowel. Mir, consonant, vowel, and consonant. Okay, then what can we do with this? As I told you in Korean, the consonant cannot make the sound by itself. It always needs the vowel. So in this case, it's not, it doesn't happen in Korean words, but it happens in foreign languages like German, the Russian, or the English. In the case, we put sounds at the bottom of the consonant. So we pronounce this name as like this. Vladimir. Vladimir. Okay? If you want to write your name in Korean, you need to learn about the letters in Korean. Yeah. There are 21 vowels in Korean from the basic vowels, and from the basic vowels, we add some kind of sounds like E or W sounds. We can expand the vowels from the 6 to 21. And the consonant, there are 19 consonants. Yeah. This consonant sounds good, but if you write, make it double, it sounds like k sound. Okay, now let's write the Russian name in Korean. Okay, Aina, there were 3 syllables. Let's find out sound here. Okay, but just for the vowel, you need to add 0 consonant. So it goes What about E? E here. Okay, E. You need to add 0 consonant. And then Na, consonant. Where is this sound? Okay, here. And vowel? Okay, so Aina in Russian goes to Aina in Korean. Okay, let's move to another name. Okay, Victoria. Okay, V sound. In Korean, there is no V sound in Korean. So instead of V, we use B sound. So Vic goes to consonant E sound, B, and you need to add this sound to at the bottom. So big, toe, okay. Where is O sound? Big toe, ri, okay. Add E sound here, D, and last one, just vowel, you need to add 0 consonant. Okay, I think you can do it by yourself with the consonant and the vowel tables. Okay, if you want to learn more about the Korean language, visit the 세종학당 homepage. Okay, 세종학당 is named in English King Sejong Institute. This is a kind of cultural institute to teach the foreigners learn about the Korean language and culture.